Today I have a microphone, and it's the ELGATO Wave 3. Content creators are well aware of the ELGATO brand, which is currently one of the brands that produce the best equipment for YouTubers and professional content creators. I will bring you about this microphone, the unboxing, demonstrations, tests, comparison with other microphones, reviews and opinions to get to know everything about this microphone. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. You can expect a lot of content produced with this new microphone. This microphone does not have an on and off switch. There are only 3 ways to turn off the microphone, as it's powered by USB. Either unplug the USB on the microphone, disconnect the USB on the microphone, or turn off the computer. If the computer is off, it doesn't power the microphone. If I disconnect the USB cable, we'll see the microphone lights turn off, because it doesn't have energy. I connect the USB to the computer again, and the microphone also turns on. Let's increase the LEDs. Another way to turn off the microphone is to turn off the computer. As we can see, it's now on. I'm going to shut down the computer. It's shutting down. It only takes a few seconds. And let's see the microphone turning off. And it did. Therefore, when I turn off the computer, it also turns off the microphone. If I turn the computer back on, the microphone immediately turns on too. So that's how you turn on and off the ELGATO Wave 3 microphone, because it doesn't have a button to turn it on and off. But there is still a problem when turning it on and off, because the configurations are not saved. Let's put the microphone on maximum, the headphones in position 1, and the mixer in the middle position. So maximum, minimum, middle position. And we also put in mute, without capturing audio. Let's disconnect the USB from the computer. The microphone has been turned off. We turn it back on, connect the USB, and the configurations were not saved. The mute is not active, headphones is in position 2, the mixer in last position, and the microphone, that was at the maximum, returned to position 3. This is the microphone's default configuration, and whenever we turn it on, it gets this configuration. The configuration we had before turning it off are not saved. This was another video about the microphone ELGATO Wave 3, but there will be more videos about this microphone. I will cover everything about this equipment, from the unboxing, seeing what comes in the box, demonstrating how it works, how to connect, audio quality tests, comparisons with other microphones, review and opinion, to get to know everything about this microphone, so you can decide if this is the best microphone for you, because the price is high. And in case you haven't noticed, this video is being recorded with the ELGATO Wave 3. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this microphone, write in the comments.